What bees are found at Weevil Lake? Importance of bees. They are very important because they pollinate one-third of our fruits and vegetables. Pollinate is where insects move pollen from one plant to another plant. Some plants can produce fruits and vegetable seeds, and so on. I do not know what the world will look like without bees. So bees are very important. They work their whole life to make a teaspoon of honey. That's why I am thankful for bees. Some other pollinators are: birds are pollinators too. They pollinate a few food crops and mostly flowers. Butterflies. Nectar is their fight food, so every time they get nectar, they spread pollen. Bats are like bees. When they get nectar, pollen sticks to their fur, so when they go to a different flower, the pollen spreads. Here are some native bees to Minnesota. The sweat bee is also known as the metallic bee. They are great for gardens, and they love humans because the sweat that they love is in human sweat. That is why they are called the sweat bee. The mason bee is also great for fruit gardens. They pollinate almond, cherries, and lots more. They are solitary bees. This type of bee is special. It is the best pollinator because it smashes the pollen into the flower so it pollinates better.
Did you know the biggest bee to Minnesota is the black and gold bumblebee? Only females have singles and boys don't.
Our investigation. Capture some bees in containers and drew them, but the bees we captured were at the end of their life cycle. Next, we froze the bee and pinned it in the thorax. We analyzed the bee to find out what type of bee it is. We had a leafcutter bee. Results.
The most common bee trapped by our class was bumblebee. Our class also trapped 2 leafcutter bee and 3 honeybees.
Entire Weevil Lake 5th graders caught more bumblebees than any other type of bee. The prairie attracts a lot of bumblebees. Threats to pollinators. Habitat loss is the most issue affecting pollinators today. They are losing food needed for their survival. Pests and diseases are a natural part of a double-edged part of our modern world. When trades between
Monoculture is when one-third of the U.S. bees get trucked and transferred to California to pollinate the almond crop. After that, they die because there's no more almonds to pollinate, so there's no more food.
Advocacy. Right now, the bees are in trouble. Some things are because of nature and some things are because of us. You and other people can help by planting bee-friendly gardens and stop using chemicals for your garden, like white whittling and bee balm. Their favorite flowers, as we know now. You can post a positive message about bees and ways people can help too.